students, this is Praveen from class 6. Today we are going to learn about the garbage in and garbage out. In daily life, we produce lots of garbage. Today we are going to learn about the garbage. So let's start. First we have a segregation of waste. We can divide the waste into two parts. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means the waste which can be wrought by the actions of decomposers is called the biodegradable waste, and waste which cannot be wrought by the actions of decomposers is called a non-biodegradable waste. Examples of biodegradable waste is paper, peels of vegetables and fruits. Non-biodegradable is a plastic or aluminium. Now we have how we can management of biodegradable waste by the processes of landfill, composting, vermicomposting and landfill. So what is a composting? A compost is a management of biodegradable waste by putting it in a compost pit or bury it in a ground. So how you can do this? You first dig a hole in a ground and put all the waste that you have waste, and then cover this with the sand, and then after 2-3 days you will see that this waste started to form the started to rot or is now in the simpler substances. Now we have is vermicomposting. If in this process I add some worms which helps this process to occur even faster, then I call this process as vermicomposting. You can do this by adding the worms or red worms. Now we have is landfill. What is a landfill? A landfill is an area, a large area, where the garbage of whole the city is dumped. How is the landfill formed? Let's see. First, in the landfill, the layer of downside is made up of clay. Then we have is plastic barriers, and then there is pipe connected to it so that the water could flow through it. And then we have the garbage produced in each day is compressed in a different cell. What is in the cell means, first I take up a garbage buried here and covered with sand, then buried here, covered with sand, buried here, covered with sand. So like that, and after few days, after covering, if it is full now, then the tractors or bulldozers are run on it to compress that. Otherwise it take up large space. Then we can management of the non-biodegradable waste can be done by following the 3 R's, which is first R stands for reduce, second R for reuse, and the third R for recycle. And reduce means to say to impulse purchase, to not buy, or we have to reduce the thing that is non-biodegradable, just like plastics. In refuse means reuse means to again use. How much time? Just like I have taken a plastic bags, now I can use to do various other things. And another last is recycle. That means to get a new product from the old product. So let's see examples of reduce. Reduce to not buy plastics, or say buy less plastics as we could, or use plastic bags. Plastic bags, instead of plastic bag we can use jute bags and paper bags. Reuse, we can donate our old clothes to the orphanage house or use them as a duster to erase, etc. And in recycle, we can, just like plastic bottle we have, we can cut in and make a container for growing plants. These are the process we can manage the non-biodegradable waste. So friends, what we learned today is segregation of waste in two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable, and process of management biodegradable, composting and vermicomposting, and where we learn also landfill. Then management of non-biodegradable waste is reduce, recycle, reuse and recycle. So let me ask some questions to revise. So first question is, what is an segregation of waste? A segregation of waste means to divide the waste into two types, which is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable waste? Waste which can be rot by the actions of decomposers is called biodegradable waste, and non-biodegradable waste are those which cannot be rot by the actions of decomposers. Compost. What is a composting? A composting is a process of bury the waste into the pit for rot them. Then vermicompost is simply adding the worms to the composting. Now landfill. What was the landfill and how we can create it? Landfill is a large area where the garbage is buried from which the garbage from the cities is buried into there. So how we can make a landfill? Just first make a layer of clay, then make a layer of plastic barriers. Then we can connect pipe through that the rainwater can easily seep through it. Like that, and then we can make or combine cells for the waste which is produced. Then last question we have is, how we can manage the non-biodegradable waste? We can manage the non-biodegradable waste by following the 3 R's. What is this 3 R's? Reuse, reduce and recycle. So friends, I hope that this video would be helpful to you, and at the last, thanks for watching.